Hi guys, we're starting off early Saturday morning, meal planning and making a shopping list. This is my last weekend without plans for a while, so I wanted to take advantage of my free time. I made some overnight yeasted pancake waffle batter, and I pulled some bacon from the freezer to defrost. Mario is going to make breakfast later this morning. My pantry has been looking a little empty, and I need to stock up on shelf-stable essentials like tomato sauces and rice. And I wanted to make sure that we had snacks through the end of the school year and that we had some meats to barbecue for the beginning of summer. So since this is such a big haul, I kind of broke it up, starting with my cold bag. This is all the stuff that goes into my fridge and freezer. Start off over here with some mushrooms. I got some burgers and some pizza doughs, so we got some mushrooms. I got some of these holy guacamole, just mild guacamoles in the little cups. I've been really busy and I haven't been doing the best job feeding myself, so I bought a couple of things that are kind of like I'll eat them, like brain dead eat them because I just like them. So it'll help me remember to eat if I know that there's things that I want to eat, like specifically around. Brown and serve sausages. School is almost out, so this bag should last us through the end of school for breakfast lunches. I got some of these Hebrew National. I didn't realize I was buying the reduced fat, but I wanted the skinnier hot dogs because my sister let me borrow her mini muffin tin, or like the little mini muffin or cupcake pan, and I want to make mini corn dogs. And the hot dogs I think are too thick for the mini pan, so I wanted to try some of these ones. And then I just got some regular hot dogs for Mario and myself. I got some blackberries. It's been a while since we've had some blackberries. Blackberries are our favorite, so just a little package of blackberries. I got 2 packages of this cubed ham. I made some ham and cheese roll-ups in my last video. I'll go ahead and link that above and below. This is the ham I wish I would have put into it instead of like the cubed up lunch or the chopped up lunch meat, like the thicker cubed ham. So I got one of these because we like to put this on pizza, and then I got one because I wanted to make some pizza rolls with it. So it's also good on salads and all kinds of things. This is one of my favorite products. And then because it's dairy and egg free, it's an easy way to add quick protein to things too. I got an 8-pack of Angus beef patties. These are frozen. I got some chicken breast tenders and some chicken patties. I plan on making my own chicken nuggets from scratch, like freezer chicken nuggets, but my daughter is 10 and she is learning to microwave cook meals for herself. So I wanted things that actually had the directions on them so that she could read them and not just like a made from home maybe chicken nuggets. So things that are definitely easier for her to make. She's been doing a really good job with the chicken patties, so I decided to throw chicken nuggets in. I also got more of her burritos because she's been doing very well with the burritos. If you are dairy free, these are a really good option for you. Then I got some pizza doughs. I still have a vlog, like a video that I need to get edited and uploaded today, and we want to do pizza, and I don't think I'm going to have time to make dough, even though it doesn't take that long. So I got a couple of these so I don't have to worry about making dinner. Mario can handle making dinner tonight for me. And then I got a half gallon of the chocolate lactose-free milk and whole milk. So over here I got some stuff for the kids' field trips. These are single serve Hawaiian Punch in the Polar Blast flavor. I got these Snack Sacks Chips Ahoy. I like these because they fit into my son's bento. Oreo minis and the animal crackers. I got some of these Airhead Extreme Bites, some of these bulk regular corn nuts, a thing of original Pringles, a can of Arizona fruit punch. This is about 1.5 pounds of wildflower honey that I got in bulk, 4 pounds of light brown sugar. This is a whole box of the double chocolate brownies and a whole box of apple cinnamon fig bars. These are my favorite cookies. So I got 2 of these, and then I got 2 of these cherry pies and 2 of these apple pies. My son's birthday is coming up in July and he wants a Mario Party again, so I got 3 boxes of these Super Mario fruit snacks with the shapes. He was already really excited when he saw those. And then I got this for my daughter. It's 3 to 4 uses of a peel-off mask, some picote, some Winco brand mucus relief, some Winco brand dairy relief. I got 4 jars of Prego fresh mushroom, 3 cans of tomato sauce. I stocked up on some soups. I got chicken corn chowder, beef with vegetables, chicken broccoli cheese with potato, and a can of clam chowder. I got a jar of chicken gravy and a jar of beef gravy because sometimes you just need gravy. And then I got 2 jars of Alfredo sauce, 2 boxes of chicken stuffing, and then 2 each of lasagna, mini beef ravioli and meatballs, beefaroni, spaghetti and meatballs, 4 cans of large black olives, 6 boxes of mac and cheese, a box of bread bags, 3 boxes of my favorite multicolor square snack bags, and then a box of sandwich bags. I was really excited to find peach. If you saw my last video, I made apple pie cinnamon rolls, so I think that the peach cinnamon rolls sound really, really good. A bag of these Flavor Twist honey barbecues, a bag of tortilla chips, a 3-pound bag of the golden, purple, and red potatoes. My daughter especially loves these purple potatoes. And then this is the golden and the reds mixed together. So 6 pounds total of the smaller potatoes. We all really like the smaller potatoes. A bag of pretzel twists, a bag of pretzel sticks, a huge bag of this cinnamon toasters. This is generic for Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It was $7.49 for 53 ounces. A huge thing of Tang Drink mix. I found this and it looked very interesting. We had wildfires and other fires just kind of devastate the area a few years ago, and I found out that it's really good for mushroom growing. So I've been thinking about getting into foraging mushrooms because I love mushrooms, and if I could find delicious ones for free, that would be amazing. A bunch of bananas. This was about 3 pounds. Huge box of Goldfish Flavor Blasted Extra Cheddar, and 5 pounds of rice. My dryer was out of service for a bit and eventually needed to be replaced. So I had to dry my laundry at the laundromat, which is a lot of work. So laundry that needed to be folded started piling up. And once it gets to a certain point, I just kind of fall back into my bad habit of living out of laundry baskets, which is fine if it works for you. I know it works for some people, but for me, it just causes super anxiety, and it really causes me to run late because I'm always looking for something specific. So the dresser is cleaned off. These clothes are all sorted and folded and ready to be gone through. And then I don't really have any linen storage, so this is it. And then I have this stuff that I have to put away still in a different bin. And then this is my clothing rack. Right now, it's mostly winter coats that need to be kind of switched out for summery dresses, and like there's some raincoats here, but the raincoats are probably gonna have to be put away as well. And that is all I am doing for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's completely free, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of my next videos.